this is the C, A minor, F and G chord change practice. C, A minor, take this middle finger up to the 4th string, 2nd fret, that's it, A minor. To add F, you want to add the 2nd string in the 1st fret, keep that one at the top there, and then you do that switcheroonie where you change that round there and you have your G. 8 counts, 4 counts, 2 counts, 1 count. On the C, after a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change A minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go down to 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. Get ready for 2. Let's go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. We'll do another round of 2s. And 1, 2, and 1. Get ready for your 1s. Let's do it. 1, 1, 1. Let's do 4 of those. 1, 1, 1. This is the 3rd. Now the final one. And on C. We're going to play the C and we'll play F. I'll play it, but I want you to leave it out. 4 counts. 1, 2, 3. Let's go on C. 2, 3, 4. Leave this one out. Play the next one. And leave out the next one. Alright, I'm going to do the opposite. Leave out the C. Play the A minor. Leave out the F. And play the G. Okay, let's take that down to 2. We'll do exactly the same thing. Play the C, play the F, leave out the A minor and the G. Second time around, leave out the C and the F, play the A minor and play the G. 2 counts on each. 1, 2, play the C. 1, 2, leave out. Play. Leave out. Leave out. Play. Leave out. And play. One more time. Play. Leave out. Play. Leave out. Now leave this one out. Play the A minor. Leave out the F. Play the G. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're just doing 1 on each. So I'll play all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and C, A minor, F, and G. C, A minor, F. Now we'll do another round.